Hello everyone, we're going to do something really quick and simple right now. We're going to do some prawn toast, but sort of Spanish style, like you get at an Asian takeaway, but these are going to be a little bit more Western. I'll always go for prawn toast whenever I have a takeaway, and I just thought, why not do it sort of a bit more Western? So we've got our prawns, but we're also going to use some smoked bacon, so some pancetta, some smoked paprika, a little bit of butter to fry it all in, some garlic, chives, lemon, onion, and some golden syrup, which I absolutely love, and a lovely loaf of sourdough. Chop your onion. So garlic, crush, and then bash it right down and mince it up. Right, butter into a pan, nice and warm. Onions in, garlic, and a little toss, and then we want our smoked paprika. Not much left. Right, onto the stove. Pinch salt. I'll sweat that down for about 5 minutes. Right, my onions are looking lovely. The sweetness has come out in them. So I'm going to add them to the mixer. This is the loudest mixer I've ever used. 200 grams of raw king prawns, 200 grams of smoked bacon or pancetta. Right, some chives, roughly chopped. Like that. I'm going to put some golden syrup in. It's one of my favourite sugars. A really deep flavour to it, and purity. It's like honey. So 1 tablespoon. A little bit of grated lemon zest. Salt and pepper. Right, time to blitz. Right, our paste is lovely and coarse, and that is what we're going to spread on our toasts. Right, slice your bread about 1 centimetre thick. Right, now spread your paste over your slices of bread. A nice thick layer. You want a good bit of girth to that. And make sure you get every inch, every centimetre of the exposed bread. Otherwise, you'll burn it. You don't want that. After you've done that, deep down into the seed mix and press down so you pick up as many as possible. And now we have it ready for the frying pan. A little bit of vegetable oil to begin with, just so the butter that we're going to put in doesn't burn. And then we want a nice big knob in there. Like that. Melt down, bubble up. Okay, and then our toasts. Seed side down into the pan. And then cook for about 5 or 6 minutes on each side. Till nice golden and brown. You may think this is a rather unhealthy way of cooking it, and it is. Oh my god, does it taste good. Right, these are looking amazing. The seeds have started to colour. The bread is gone nice and crispy. Right, we're ready to serve, I think. A little bit of sea salt to finish off. Just going to drain them on some kitchen towel. Cut them into your desired shapes. I'm just going to go into little triangles, like you would at the takeaway. Into the plate. A few chives. Wedge of lemon. And finish it off with some golden syrup. Nice. There we have it, my Western style prawn toasts. They're pretty good, I think.